everybody, how's it going? Hoping you're having a good day. I wanted to come on here and remind you about something that I'm not sure that you remember. MyEcon for 20 years has been a United States-based company, only inside the United States, only offering memberships to people inside the United States, but that all changed in 2025. Earlier this year, MyEcon launched their global membership. So I wanted to come on and remind everybody, MyEcon is not just for memberships inside the United States now, it's also available worldwide in over 150 countries. So almost everybody can join MyEcon, no matter what country you're in. The level that you get to come in at as a person who lives in another country outside the United States is called the Zingo Travel membership level. And that is the one product that is available in that membership level right now is the Zingo Travel membership, which is where you can save yourself up to 70% on travel, whether you are traveling wherever you might be in the world, traveling to the United States, traveling to another country. This travel engine can save you up to 70% on travel wherever you're traveling in the world. It's for flights, it's for hotels, and all kinds of other things that you can take advantage of as a member, that Zingo Travel membership that's available to you when you join outside the United States. Also, I wanted to remind you that when you do join outside the United States and you join as an international member, someone who has the Zingo Travel membership, that's not the only membership level that you can sell. So you can market the MyEcon memberships to other people who are international, whatever country you're in, whether that's England or Spain or Portugal or wherever you may be. You can market the Zingo Travel membership to people who are inside of your country, and you can share that with them and help them get started with their very own Zingo Travel membership. But you can also market memberships to people inside the United States, and they have access to all of the levels of membership. So there's the FSM membership level, which is $45, which opens up most of the products inside of MyEcon. And then there's the Elite Business membership level, the $99 to start membership level. And that opens up all of the products, including the Zingo Travel, including the ID Defender, which is the LifeLock product. All of the products are available at that Elite Business membership level. And if you are someone who's outside the United States, you join MyEcon at the ZTM level, Zingo Travel membership level, you can earn the commissions that come along with selling the memberships inside the United States. So right now it's really exciting because MyEcon is doing their 20.5 promotion, where they have up to the commissions that you can earn when you sell a membership, when you sponsor somebody in MyEcon. And so those levels are up to 95% now. You can earn up to 95% commission when you sponsor somebody in MyEcon. And that is available to someone who joins as an international member outside the United States, as well as people inside the United States. So it's available to anybody that joins MyEcon. And I'm really excited to get to share this with you guys, and I want you all to be able to take advantage of these extra commissions that MyEcon is giving out right now, and know that in most countries you can join MyEcon. You can take advantage of this amazing compensation plan. You can earn those extra commissions, and you can build yourself a team and start making the kind of money that you want to be making in online affiliate marketing. I'm excited to share this with you guys. I can't wait to see you on the inside. In the meantime, if you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when I post other content. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.